Hello, let us solve this expression together. We have to look for s. So therefore, 2x raised to power 2 plus 12. So we can rewrite this x to become x raised to power 1 over 2 raised to power 4 equals 4. So let us expand this as well. This gives us 4x squared plus 12. By the time we open this bracket, this gives us x raised to power 2 equals 4. So from here, we can add them together. That gives us 16x squared equals 4. So making x squared the subject of the equation will give us x all over 16. So we can find the square root. Therefore, x equals, by the time we are finding the square root, we introduce plus or minus 4 over 16. So x equals plus or minus, that is 1 over 4. So by the time we find the square root, x equals plus or minus 1 over 2. So thank you very much.